Here's how you can have a cooler without taking any storage space in the Tesla Model Y. This cooler is from Temai and it fits in the side pocket of your Tesla Model Y trunk. It goes all the way down to 23 degrees Fahrenheit and it can hold more than 10 cans of soda. It's perfect for camping, road trips, or if you just want to vibe out and chill. It has an upper compartment for freezing and a lower compartment for fresh food. There's an LED light installed so you can see easier inside the fridge. It consumes only 0.5 kilowatt hours electricity when operating for one day in a 30 degrees Celsius environment. It's super easy to install and it plugs in with a 12-volt outlet, and it matches and fits perfectly inside of the Tesla Model Y.